there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions in the wild world of products. Today, we're diving into the resin sea of 3D printers, comparing two titans in the industry, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K, we'll call it Photon M5s, and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, let's just call it Sonic 8K. Get ready for a 3D showdown that's gonna make your head spin faster than a high-speed resin printer. Alright, let's start with resolution. The Photon M5s boasts a jaw-dropping 12K resolution. That's 11,520 by 5,120 pixels, folks. We're talking X accuracy of 19 microns, finer than a strand of unicorn hair. But hold your applause. Sonic 8K isn't far behind with an 8K resolution at 22 microns. It's like comparing a magnifying glass to a microscope. Reviewers love the Photon M5s for capturing every tiny detail, making it perfect for intricate models. On the other hand, Sonic 8K is still praised for its precision, especially in printing small details, and many users find it more than sufficient for their needs. Now, let's talk about the one thing that makes or breaks a deal faster than you can say, credit card declined, price. Photon M5s is priced at $559. Meanwhile, Sonic 8K is a more budget-friendly $375. Reviewers of the Photon M5s appreciate its advanced features despite the higher cost, while Sonic 8K users love the value it offers for the price. If you're balling on a budget, Sonic 8K is your new best friend. But if you've got some extra Monopoly money lying around, why not splurge on the Photon M5s? Alright, speed demons, listen up! Photon M5s claims to print at a blazing 105 mm per hour. This bad boy uses high-speed resin and a fancy release film to keep things moving faster than a caffeinated cheetah. Meanwhile, Sonic 8K is, shall we say, more of a leisurely jogger. Sure, it's not as fast, but hey, it's like the tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Reviewers of the Photon M5s love its quick print times, while Sonic 8K users find its speed adequate for most tasks. Ease of use. Photon M5s comes with a leveling-free solution, thanks to its floating platform technology and internal sensors. It's like having a tiny, invisible butler to make sure everything's perfect. On the other hand, Sonic 8K prides itself on being the best entry-level printer for beginners. It's simple, straightforward, and won't make you feel like you need a PhD in 3D printing. Reviewers appreciate the Photon M5s for its user-friendly features, but also acknowledge that it might require some trial and error. Meanwhile, Sonic 8K is celebrated for its ease of setup and use, making it perfect for newcomers. Last but not least, software compatibility. Photon M5s comes with upgraded slicer software, Photon Workshop 3.1, with an intelligent mode that automatically adjusts exposure parameters. Sonic 8K, however, is the Switzerland of slicers, neutral and compatible with most, including Lychee, Chitubox, and Tango. Reviewers love the Photon M5s for its advanced all-in-one software, while Sonic 8K users appreciate the flexibility to use different slicers. So, if you love having options and hate being tied down, Sonic 8K is your open-source soulmate. But if you prefer a streamlined, all-in-one package, Photon M5s is like the Apple of 3D printers, fancy and exclusive. Both printers have received positive reviews overall. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is praised for its high-quality prints, advanced features, and user-friendly design, though it may require some trial and error to master. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K is highly recommended for its impressive print quality, ease of use, and affordability, making it a great choice for beginners. However, some users have faced issues with customer service and hardware durability. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Photon M5s and the Sonic 8K each have their strengths and quirks. Whether you're a detail-obsessed perfectionist or a budget-conscious beginner, there's a resin 3D printer out there with your name on it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our epic product showdowns. Comment below and tell us which printer you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.